Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on it, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So then we can take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the bottom we've got the resolution. So let's tap on it, and you can see that we've got three different options: UHD, FHD and HD. Currently we've got the FHD option applied. This option is highlighted, so simply tap on any other option and it will be immediately applied. The icon will also change accordingly, so it simply means that from now on, whenever you'll record the video, your device will use the chosen resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.